Hi guys, so I am back with a recipe video this time. So this recipe is the zucchini lasagna. So what you'll need for this recipe is about 2 zucchinis, a jar of sugar-free um, tomato sauce, green peppers and onions and garlic, seasoning of your choice, cheeses of your choice. I chose mozzarella, cheddar, and ricotta, and Parmesan, um, and your regular cooking utensils. So what you would do is you will make your meat mixture. You brown the ground beef. You can use ground beef, ground turkey. Did I say ground beef in the beginning? But you're going to need some kind of ground meat. Ground beef, ground turkey, ground chicken, Italian sausage, whatever. So you brown the meat of your choice with the green peppers and onions and garlic. Add the garlic in last because garlic cooks really fast. So once you brown that, you drain the grease, add the sugar-free or no sugar added tomato sauce or pasta sauce, and let that simmer for a little while, 15-20 minutes. So on low to medium heat. And while that's simmering, you slice up your zucchini noodles lengthwise to make them look like lasagna noodles. And once those are sliced up and the meat sauce is about ready, you go ahead and ladle a ladle or two at the bottom of your pan. I used an 8x8, I think it was. But however big you're making it, just make sure that you ladle enough to at least coat the bottom with a thin coat of meat sauce. Then you add your zucchini noodles. You will add your mozzarella cheese on top of the noodles. I like to do that to kind of hold the noodles together a little bit. And then you add your meat sauce. And on top of that, you will add your ricotta cheese. And then your other cheese, which I use sharp cheddar. And then you will add another layer of zucchini noodles, another layer of mozzarella cheese, another layer of meat sauce, another layer of ricotta cheese, another layer of sharp cheddar cheese, and then on top of that you will add your Parmesan cheese. I use the powdered Parmesan. Then you can go ahead and add like Italian seasoning on top to make it taste more authentic. And then you can add some oregano. I added some parsley. I don't know if I said that, but when you brown your meat, go ahead and season your meat with the seasonings of your choice. I use garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, pepper, Lawrys seasoning, salt, and a little oregano. So you put it in the oven for an hour and a half, however long it takes for the zucchini noodles to be nice and firm, where you can just kind of cut through it with the little spoon or the spatula, and the cheese bubbling and it's brown. So I hope you guys enjoy the recipe. I worked hard on it. I actually got this recipe from a cookbook, and it's in your room. I got this recipe from a cookbook, and I chose to use, I guess, the cookbook as a guide because I was looking for some inspiration for some meals that I can cook or I can turn keto. So I won't get bored with the same old, bacon and eggs, avocado, cauliflower rice. I just wanted some variety. So I plan on doing a couple recipes and showing you guys. Now I want a disclaimer. I'm an amateur. I don't have sophisticated camera equipment. So I was cooking. I got everything prepared, and then I was showing you how to do it. I had the camera in one hand and using one hand to combine the dish together. So just forgive the camera angles and all that. But anyhow, I hope you guys get the gist of what I was doing and what I was trying to show you. I hope this inspired you to go ahead and try it yourself. I'm going to try to come out with more recipe videos, just to help give you inspiration as to, how you can stick with the keto diet. Because I know some people get bored. Some people don't mind routine, but some people need variety. So definitely, when I find something that I think is awesome, I'm going to share with you guys. Also, if you want the link to the cookbook, I will link it below. You can download it. It's free. If you want a physical copy, you will have to pay shipping and handling, but the copy of the cookbook is free if you want to download it. So go ahead and check that out. Let me know if you try anything in the cookbook. It has so many awesome things in there, like it has smoothies and desserts and dinners and breakfasts and, you know, all types of things. So it's a really good cookbook to either give you inspiration if you are already a cook and you just need, you know, some kind of ideas of what to cook, or if you aren't a cook, or, you know, you're not that creative and you just want something that tells you by the book what to do and you know that it's keto friendly. This cookbook is for you. So guys, go ahead and like my video if this video was really helpful, or not even really helpful, but if you at least enjoyed it, give me an A for effort at least, and subscribe to my channel so that you can follow along on my journey, and I really appreciate it. Go ahead and leave me a comment if you have anything that you want to say. I was really shocked about the comments that I got thus far on a few of my videos, so I want to thank you for interacting with me, keeping me encouraged to go ahead and do this. So yeah guys, so again, forgive my amateurness, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Hi guys, so I'm coming today with a recipe video. I am going to be cooking zucchini lasagna, keto style, you know. So I already browned my meat with my vegetables and seasoned my meat. So you just season the meat to your liking. Add your pasta sauce. You have to get the no sugar added pasta sauce. And then you also have to have 2 zucchinis. And you can go ahead and slice them lengthwise to your thickness. And then you also need cheeses. So whatever kind of cheeses you like. Some ricotta cheese, and that's pretty much it. So I already have, like I said, the meat done. I have the zucchini cut up. So I am going to attempt to do this with one hand, but you just need to just, you know, do this like a regular lasagna. So you go ahead and put a little bit at the bottom of your pan. Then you layer your zucchini on top. And you want this, you know, pretty tight so that everything can kind of stick together. So that's my first layer. And then I like to add cheese next. So go ahead and do it again. I'm doing this with my hands. So I'm hoping it'll work out right. Sprinkle some cheese. Then you pour some more meat on top. And you go ahead and continue to layer it as if you were doing a lasagna with regular lasagna noodles. My ricotta cheese on top. Next time I'm gonna try to get my camera, my tripod set up so it can be easier. But yeah, you just dollop some, couple spots here. It'll spread out like a cook. A little bit more cheese. Spread that around. Put your second layer of zucchini on top. And again, you want them pretty tight. So this was again 2 zucchinis, about a pound of ground beef. It's gonna be about maybe a cup of ricotta cheese, and however much shredded cheese you like. I know I should be using block cheese, but this is convenient. So today was pretty good. I had Jimmy John's for lunch. I had they unwich with all the meats and some pickles. I stuck with my fasting. I didn't eat till about 12:30. I didn't even have my snack today. I was hungry like around 9 o'clock, but I just, you know, just toughed it out. And then by the time 12 o'clock came, I didn't even realize it was 12. So I just waited until about 12:30 to eat. And, you know, that was good. So now, go ahead and fix this. And I'll have a slice of this for dinner, and then I'll take the rest for lunch. Just a little bit like that. Like I said, it'll spread out as it cook. Then you top it off with some more shredded cheese. Then you add your Italian seasoning on top. Oh, before your Italian seasoning, add a little parm on there. And your Italian seasoning. And if you want, you can add some oregano. You can add some parsley. Then I got the oven set for 350. And it's a cook for about 45 minutes to an hour probably. And then should be all good to go. So we're gonna pop this in the oven, and then I'll be back with the finished product. But this is how it looks before it goes in the oven. It looks good already. So here is the finished product. We're gonna let this cool, and we're gonna take a little sample.